Scratch is undoubtedly a very popular game engine now, as you can see tons of videos on it these days. So, I decided to mess my hands around it and make my first game on Scratch with zero experience. So first, I started off by creating my account on its website. Then I started exploring the Scratch interface. Once I was done with the basics and torturing the Scratch cat enough, I started to think of a game idea. And then I came up with $100 billion idea. My socks. Yeah, don't ask me why. And it hasn't been in the laundry since months, so I had my game plan now. I will have a main character who will collect the falling laundry socks before his mom beats the heck out of him. If he collects a sock, he scores a point. If he doesn't, then circumstances. Then I started designing my main character, which was a mouse, cause who doesn't want this gorgeous animal to not be their game's main character? After that, I also made the background of my game. And then lastly, I uploaded everything into Scratch. By the way, I also made a few designs of the socks but forgot to record them. Then I made different costumes for each of my designs so that I can use them differently in the game. I was also not so happy with my mouse, so I redesigned it in the Scratch sprite editor. My next task was to add character movement in my main character. I made this very easy mechanism of my character moving left and right using the arrow keys. Then I proceeded by making the mechanism for my socks, where it is falling to the ground, and then once it touches the ground, it also has to return back up at a random X position. Next up, I added a score system to my game. I also made the speed variable to increase the speed of the game over time. Once I was done with the main mechanism of the game, I started adding animations to the main character. I also enjoyed adding little extra features like if the player touches the pants, then you score 2 points. And if you touch the F plus grade mark sheets, which you don't want your mom to see, your points decrease by 3. I also added this life count system, which was initially 3, but then I changed it into 4, showing mercy on the player. Lastly, I added some threatful end screens. I also added some cool sound effects to my game from the Scratch library itself, and then our game was ready. I totally did not deserve that. Anyways, you can find this game on Scratch's official website. I will link that in the description below as well. Scratch was honestly quite easy for me. I really didn't have to watch any tutorials because the way the blocks are designed just reduces half of the work. It's a great platform for people who have just started game developing and want to get familiar with the basics. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, just drop a comment below. Right, see ya.